another way to edit the shape is to add anchor points. So you can do this by going to the pen tool, and if you press and hold your left mouse button down, you'll see here you can add anchor points or delete anchor points. And if I select add anchor points and then pick on the path, you'll see that it adds an anchor point here. And I'm going to hold my Alt key down and roll my wheel in to zoom. Then what I can do is come up here, use the selection, the direct select tool, and I can click and I can drag this down. And then it gives me this tool here, this little anchor that I can actually change the arc. So again, I can come in here and tweak this to make it look sharper or have straighter edges, however you want to do that. So over here, I could do the same thing. I can come in and let's modify this one. And then I could come over here and we can add anchor points as well. So I can add one there, can add one there. Let's switch back over here. Probably that we'll have to add a couple more so we can get this in here. I'll add this one here. Oops. Click on that. And we can stretch this guy out, round him off, and do something like that. So that gives us that shape. If I zoom out, gives us that shape over there. And the reason I did half of it was that I'm going to mirror the other half, and that way I'll have them both sides and they'll be the same on both sides. But that's adding anchor points. You can delete the anchor points simply by going up and hitting delete anchor point, and you can delete those as well, but I'm not going to do that here.